amigos, buongiorno amici. Welcome to High Vibes Travel. My name is Morris, and today we're at a beach club here in Soverato. Still a bit windy, but it's absolutely a gorgeous day. As you can see the beautiful water behind me. Look at that. Looks like a Caribbean blue water. We're here because our dear friend Calabria Dreaming has a place here for the summer. Here they're called Lidos. It's like beach clubs in the States. I said that in my other videos, but I'll just show you around here. Show you the restaurant right now. There's snacks here, really good prices as well, not overpriced, so really appreciate that. And look at this, absolutely gorgeous. Super calm waters even though it's windy outside. There's also a restaurant inside that you can eat a meal, but also over here at this place there's snacks as well, not just drinks. And gotcha.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
That's it.
There you go. Guys, tell me what you think about this water. Seriously, absolutely gorgeous here in Soverato, Calabria. And I'm not saying that it's the most beautiful water in the world, but let me tell you something, goddamn close. Look at this. Really blessed to be here, really happy to be here, and I definitely think that Italy is one of the nicest places I've been to in my life, so very blessed to be here.
Such a cool photo. Oh my god.
And something simple in life at a beach, something very simple, is garbage cans. Look, retro, plastico, indifferente. But yeah, keep Mother Gaia clean. Mother. Keep Mother Gaia clean. It's actually really that simple, but people take advantage of her. No bueno. Absolutely gorgeous water. This beach.
Oh my god, so beautiful.
Gorgeous weather, gorgeous beach.
I love the clear
amazing
water.
Food here in Calabria, Italy. What can you ask for anymore? Seriously.
We are so blessed.
Always blessed.
Everyone can do this.
Anyone can do this.
Believe in your dreams.
Thank you. Grazie mille. Ciao, dopo.